guys, ito ha.
The perennial care, changing the diaper, lying position and standing position, and catheter care. The purpose are to avoid microorganism spread, to have a clean perineum, to avoid foul smell, and to check the skin condition, and for patient feel comfortable and relaxed. Do the scalp sequence. The materials are basin, washcloth, diaper, towel, kidney beads, serum and non-serum, gloves, sanit gloves, cotton balls,
Sorry. Akong gloves.
do the
Bilhin.
sequence.
Ay, sabi.
Check and read the patient chart, the name, address, age, religion, marital status, baseline, vital sign, physician order, doctor's order, physician order, and diagnosis. Knock the door. Knock the door. Good morning, sir. I am Sheila Salugsugan, your caregiver to be from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I know your name, sir. Your birth date, sir. And second date, explain the patient, the procedure, sir. I'm going to do the preliminary care and changing the diaper and cleaning the catheter for you to
12 dito.
comfortable.
11, 12. Good ba eh?
And then, sir, we are come back to prepare your materials.
Dito na ito.
Sir, knock the door. Sir, and come back. You want to
Pwede ba yun?
check the vital signs,
Ito, dali.
the temperature, pulse rate, respiratory, cardiac rate, blood pressure, pen scale, and SpO2. Press the head cells on lock, and then come back. Sir, and come back. You want to decorate or urinate, sir? No. Draw the curtain and for privacy. Now do the procedure. Hold the blanket in horizontal pan holding.
Thank you, sir.
Both hands in the hips and the abdomen. Put towel in the abdomen to avoid soiling the gown. Adapt the leg. Put towel Get the towel with soap. Urethra. Glands. Penis.
Paano mo ba? Ano naman ni paano mo tanan? 6 p.m. 10 p.m.
Oh. Sumpay man na siya tanan.
Shaft.
Kaya
Pulse.
sumpay man ako asa na.
Nagbayta sa gani nga time.
Oh,
Tanan 6 or 10.
Oh, magbay ka sa pila ka buok, dusi na ka buok.
Groin. Other groin.
Sabi ko kuan na.
Dili dusi.
Discard.
Ila kay kuan naman.
Six naman. Oh, six naman ya. Pagka kuan na isumpay da pa na kayo.
Urethra. Glands penis. Cold. Corona. Cold. Shaft. Cold. Scrotum. Cold. Under scrotum. Cold. Groin. Other groin. Hot dry. Hot dry. Then remove the towel. Put the patient in. I roll the container towel. A container pads. And father's arm. Nearest arm. And nearest knee. Bend the nearest knee. And one. Lock the side rail.
Direte direte.
I didn't put it on.
Raise the side
I
raise.
raise the side rail and lock. And then put the patient and lateral position. And then in the buttocks. Wash. Wash, rinse, wash. Circular motion. Circular stroke. Pay attention to the iliac crease. Sacrum. Coccyx. Ischium, gluteal fold. Then wash, rinse, soap. Circular stroke. Pay attention to iliac crease. Sacrum, coccyx, ischium, gluteal fold. Wash, rinse. Circular stroke. Pay attention to the iliac crease. Sacrum. Coccyx. Ischium. Gluteal fold. Then dirty container pads and diaper and and then put the new container towel and the and back to supine position. If the patient is a male, the diaphragm is higher the front and lower the back. If male and female, higher the back, lower the front. Insert the catheter. Insert the catheter.
Ay, towel. Share.
Towel.
Okay, tabo na lang share. Ano ba? Share.
Get cotton balls
Still.
in the sterile kidney basin. Add betadine. Remove the gloves. Do hand sanitizing.
Kung hindi sunod.
And then check the integrity of the sterile gloves. Check the expiration, the discoloration, and find the fold. Find the flap. Find the flap. Comes out. Open. Insert the dominant hand. Then the non-dominant hand. Pick the cotton buds and cotton balls. The other one hold the other one hold the insertion side, catheter side. In 90-degree angle, total height, and rotatory motion, single stroke. Do at least 3 times. Do not squeeze to enter the betadine in the urethra. Then change a new set of gloves. Wear the diaphragm.
Hindi. Ay. Balik eh.
Thank you.
Diyan ka na.
Put the incontinent pad on the floor.
Isa tiya.
And discard. Clean the front and the buttocks, same procedure. And then put moisturizer and or lotion. And then wear the diaper. My patient is a female, so the diaper is lower the back, higher the back, lower the front.
Baliktad te.
Baliktad din.